Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Robilyn Reyes Magdalora, 48 years old, married, with the two children, ages 12 years old and 25 years old. Living in Benito Sullivan, Isabela, Philippines. I have one brother and one sister. I am the second child of the family. I took Bachelor of Science in Criminology undergraduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 8 years as a domestic helper at the couple of 3 children, ages 3 years old, 6 years old, and 10 years old. I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, ironing, laundry, washing the car, and especially taking care of the children. My second experience is in United Arab Emirates for 2 years at the couple of 3 children, 2 years old, 6 years old, and 10 years old. And I do all the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, laundry, marketing, and especially taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure the safety of the baby, and when the baby is sick, I will check the temperature and I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir. I have surgery in myoma 2 years and 7 months ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my future of my children.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
Yes, sir.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my family.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I always focus to my work, and I will set my mind that I need a job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. if my work is done, and I usually wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I always calm to dealing with them.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I promise to finish my contract. If needed, I will extend, sir.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and banged his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. I promise to serve with your family with all my best. Thank you.